In this video, I will teach you about a new crypto project launching soon with huge potential called IMPT and the IMPT token. And I will also teach you how to participate in their pre-sale that is going on right now. A quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into it. And before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need for IMPT.io, the project, and the pre-sale will be down in the description. So now, if we go to IMPT.io, which is their website, you can actually see the pre-sale right away, as you can see right here, if I scroll down a little bit at least, which is ending either if it sells out or the 11th of December, so that's coming up very quickly. This is pre-sale number 2. I will show you a little bit later how you can actually participate in this pre-sale. But let's first talk a little bit about IMPT.io. What is it? So here you can see Home Affiliate, which is an amazing affiliate shopping platform, which we will also talk about a little bit later. Careers at IMPT.io, $100,000 competition they have right now, and carbon credits. And that's actually the keyword right here for IMPT.io, because it focuses on those carbon credits. And IMPT.io is basically a platform and an ecosystem based around carbon credits and offsetting your carbon output. So with that, it fits right into the sustainable category and industry within crypto, which is an industry which is growing rapidly. And by buying IMPT.io, you might just be able to buy early in one of those new projects. So IMPT.io does a lot of things, but basically what it is, it's an ecosystem that connects socially responsible brands with businesses and individuals who want to reduce their carbon footprint. And they have some amazing technologies and amazing mechanisms to do that, including NFT technologies. Apart from that, something that I think is always necessary and very important, the team is verified by CoinSniper, and the contract code has been audited by Hacken, which is a reliable source for that as well. So as I said, don't worry, we will talk about how you can actually participate in the IMPT token pre-sale in a moment. But first, let's talk a little bit more about the project. So here is exactly how it works. So what you can do is you can buy, sell, and retire carbon credits within the IMPT.io platform. So those carbon credits are minted into NFTs, which helps prevent any fraudulent activities because of the NFT technology. And then the blockchain ensures a stable and transparent ecosystem that addresses environmental challenges in the most efficient way. So here is exactly how it works and how they actually ensure that that carbon output is actually set off. So the first thing you do is you sign up through the IMPT.io platform. Then you buy IMPT tokens with your crypto or card. You can convert those IMPT tokens to carbon credits. That's also one of the main utilities. And then those carbon credits are minted into NFTs. And then you can list and trade your carbon credits on the IMPT.io marketplace. And then basically once that's done, you can do two things. And that's you can either burn your carbon credit token to compensate for your carbon footprint. And then each time that you actually burn your token, you get a collectible NFT, which I'll showcase the collection in a moment. Or you can just hold your NFTs for investment purposes. Apart from that, they also have their own shopping platform, as you can see, with environmentally conscious brands. And here you can also earn IMPT tokens from each purchase. You can exchange them for carbon credits, like we just talked about earlier, and reduce your carbon footprint. And you can do all this while just doing your regular shopping with socially responsible brands. So here you can see, for example, also see some of the NFTs from the NFT collection if you actually burn your carbon credits. To me, looks very good. And as I said earlier as well, that's sustainable industry within crypto is rapidly growing, so those NFTs might be a good investment as well. Apart from that, you can also collect IMPT.io points and track your IMPT.io score based on your activity on the IMPT.io platform and ecosystem. So you get points each time you shop, get an NFT carbon credit, or refer new users, and you can get higher points for retiring your carbon credits. On the website, and once more, all the links will be down in the description. You can also find out more about the team that's on their website, and you can find out more about every single one, like the CEO, the CTO, CLO, everybody you want to know something about. It's on their website, which I think is definitely a great thing to have on your website, but also to be very open about it. And here you have some frequently asked questions, which you might be interested in. Again, that's on the website. But now let's actually talk about the pre-sale. So as you can see, right now you can buy one IMPT for 0.023, which is 2.3 cents. Already $13 million has been raised. More than that, almost 14 million. So it is definitely going great. And as I said, the 11th of December, it's already over. So if you think this is interesting, I would definitely join very soon. So now let's talk about how you can actually buy IMPT tokens right now in this pre-sale. Alright, so what you want to do is on their website, you want to first of all connect your wallet. So that is what I will do very quickly right now. Alright, so once you have actually connected your MetaMask wallet or a different wallet, you can also buy it with a Trust wallet, for example, on mobile. What you can do is you can either buy it with Ethereum or ETH. You can buy Ethereum with cards and then kind of convert that into IMPT tokens, or you can buy IMPT tokens with USDT, all on the Ethereum network, because IMPT is on the Ethereum network. And then when you click that, for example, you just get how much IMPT you would like to buy. So for example, 100, then you click convert ETH and it will bring you straight to the wallet to actually perform that transaction. If you want to buy ETH with cards, what you can do right here is you fill in your card details right here, and then you can buy that and then convert that into IMPT tokens. Another guide is also right here on how to buy, again, on their website. But that is a full overview of what IMPT.io is and how to actually participate in the pre-sale. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. Once more, I do want to remind you that all the links you will need will be down in the description. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.